Y'all have to excuse me for a minute. I gotta make a video to hurry up and break up the algorithm on YouTube. So excuse the crosshairs on the phone and all that, and the video you're about to see. Oh, dude, it's working.
What the hell are y'all doing?
Vacuuming up grass, dude.
That's stupid.
Dude, it actually worked. Dump it out. Awesome. All right. Man, that's a tough vacuum cleaner. Too bad I don't have the parts to restore it.
Why would you make a video like that?
Have you seen some of the other crap on YouTube?
Well, that explains it.